Hello everyone, this is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Family of Dealerships, and today let's go for a drive in this 2017 Mercedes-Benz CLS 550. This vehicle has a 4.7 liter twin turbo V8 or bi-turbo V8 with 402 horsepower, 443 pound-feet of torque with a 9-speed automatic transmission. You have this nice flat bottom steering wheel, perforated leather on the steering wheel, plus shift paddles. This is a really clean one. It only has 33,842 miles, so it's gently used. It's a nice car. You have this brown interior, very comfortable seats, nice center console storage, and here's the screen. Yeah, they didn't have touch screen back then. This is like the older Mercedes-Benz infotainment. Probably this infotainment was in like the mid 2000s Mercedes up to like the mid 2010s to 2020. You have a sport and comfort suspension setting. I'll put it in sport. You also have a rear sunshade, which I'll keep down because it obstructs my visibility. But if you don't want light cabin coming into the cabin from there, you can turn that off or close that. I mean, you have ventilated and heated seats. Well, let's walk around this Benz. Sounds pretty good. Nice white exterior, nice wheels. Big Mercedes-Benz brake calipers, beautiful daytime running lights. It's a good looking car, and you have a nice grille. This is the sedan, or it's a coupe with the 4 doors. It also looks like you have like some rear speakers in the back. Here's the trunk. I like the taillights. It's a good looking car, that's for sure. It has like that sloping roof look, or like sportback look. It's the word I was looking for. Let's get this out on the road and see how it drives. Now here's the engine on this vehicle. Looks pretty cool. You can see that twin turbo V8 right there. Let's get out on the road and see how it drives. Oh man, this thing has some crazy good pickup. And that's expected, but it is fast, and that V8 sounds phenomenal. It looks like you have like the cruise control switch right here, and then you can move the steering wheel up and down, tilt and telescoping, of course, with the power. Yeah, this acceleration is very smooth, very effortless. The car literally has to put no effort to get up to speed. Yeah, it's impressive. Very, very impressive. really quiet in here. Minimal road noise. Suspension smooth even on the sports setting, and then in the comfort setting it's even smoother. Visibility is pretty good too. We also have a Harman Kardon sound system in this car. It's such a beast. It's a really, really powerful car. There's really, V8s just sound really good, either if it's naturally aspirated or twin turbo or supercharged. V8s just have a really distinct sound, and they all sound phenomenal no matter what the brand is. They all just sound great. You can't beat a V8, especially in a sedan or coupe. Yeah, this is definitely a very classy vehicle, enjoyable to drive. You can use it for everything, you know, comfortable or daily driving. Yeah, I mean, it's just really nice to cruise in this. Suspension is great. It's so luxurious in here, really comfortable, yeah, and yet it's really fast too. That's pretty awesome. It's a really, really cool car right here. Here's the backup camera. You have a 360-degree camera system. Hit vehicle, and then you can scroll through some menus right there. Seat settings, let's look at that. I know what this does. Oh, okay, you can adjust the bolstering. Oh, you have massage seats, nice. Let's try it. Let's try the relaxing massage, that feels good. Dynamic multi-contour seat. Yeah, these are really adjustable seats, and it moves in real time, which is awesome. Like, these bolsters will really hold you in place, like especially on the highest setting. Really squeezes you in place if you're trying to go around corners or have like a spirited drive in this car or something like that. But yeah, it's just really nice. But overall, that is about it. Thank you for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubb's family dealerships in the description below if you would like to shop for really nice vehicles like this Mercedes CLS 550.